Yes, sir. In the LM364, you know, ladies and gentlemen, we have the taboo. I know you know the taboo.
Yeah.
The taboo in Fiji is a very important role for each community and the family, and also to all the village that has this taboo all the way. So in the driver of 364 LM is Tamaimbuna, it's the taboo to LM41 to Karoti J. Last week I was inside the LM364 coming to Suva. As I reached Nambur runabout, we could see more the taboo from the other side runabout going to Nosori. We're coming to Suva.
How come?
The baby black, me white, how come? So, the baby black, me white, how come? I don't know, I tell you. Okay. So when we passed the runabout in Nambua, the taboo was on the other side.
Right.
You know, the important thing this 364 do, he slide down his chair. Slide down his chair because he don't want to see Mananga. He don't want to look Mananga at Karos TJ's eyeball. I said to him, driver, please go up, otherwise we'll have the accident here. But that's the real taboo in most of the place. Ladies and gentlemen, when Momo, the taboo, is going in front, they both...
LM41.
The LM41 is Karoti J. When LM41 is going in front, 364 couldn't pass him, Saranga.
Why?
Because when they pass him, or when they straighten the vent together, when they look at each other, class. They both class.
Okay,